Hey, welcome back to Quick Truck-Builders. Wanted to talk to you for a second about our HTP welding machine. Some of y'all might be familiar with a little storm that blew through here back in September of '08 called Ike. And our shop was kind of underwater back here. If you look right here, you can see where the watermark was. And needless to say, we had to kind of leave in a hurry, so we didn't get to put this machine up. And so this machine was underwater about up to right here. And it wasn't just water, but it was salt water that blown in from the Gulf of Mexico. And so we were pretty concerned about the machine when we got back. But all we did basically was we ended up replacing a couple of the switches that were underwater and cleaned it out a little bit and fired it right up, and it's been working great. So it's a real testimony to this machine. This is made by HTP America, and Jeff Nolan's the man who we usually deal with up there. So if y'all are needing a really good welding machine that's Ike-proof, good for under the salt water, land, sea, or air, this is the machine for you right here. So we're going to get on to doing some welding now.